So we'll do a little to improve our vocabulary during like yesterday.
Yes, sir.
This phrase first at the beginning. So yesterday up to 10 idioms we have learned. Today we'll learn another 10 more before we go for the spoken English. In hot water. Lang so long. If we translate literally in Karabi, it will be lang so long. But what does it mean when English people say in hot water? What does it mean? It means in trouble or facing a difficult situation. When we are in a very difficult situation, we can say we are in hot water. We are in hot water. When we face some problem, then we say we are in hot water. So after breaking the window, he knew he was in hot water. Then we can say then we can say we are in hot water. So trouble, the meaning is in trouble. When we're in trouble, we can say, oh, I'm in trouble now, what will I do? Instead of saying that, the English people will say, oh, I'm in hot water, what can I do now? They may say it that way. But when we kisung, in trouble or facing a difficult situation. Sarah is in hot water because she failed a test. So the example is given there. After breaking the window, he knew he was in hot water. Meaning, bang window, then he or she is in hot water. So in hot water, the meaning means in trouble. The meaning is in trouble or facing a difficult situation. Next, jump the gun. What does it mean, jump the gun? To do something too quickly or prematurely. Men matatipin pen klem chai. Pulote, but apor pipin klem chai, pulote, jump the gun. Doesn't mean jump the gun. She jumped the gun by announcing the news before it was confirmed. Chini pami bipen klem chai nungje chai pulote lake jumping the gun. That means jump the gun. Klem chai pang patini ne pin pen confirm pin pen klem chai maten nungje chai pulote lamangke jump the gun pupo. Example, she jumped the gun by announcing the news before it was confirmed. Patini ne pin pen aho kalima kalang mangi pe bitra bang announce that lo. She jumped the gun by announcing the news before it was confirmed. Ini lam translate lo polote hulai jump the gun polote hile pan pachon noi pulo madi pachon noi poncha. But that's not the mean. It means to do quickly, to do something too quickly before the right time. Apor kalili pensi nungje chai klem chai polote la bangke, but patini ne pin men klem that lo polote la panke jump the gun bubu. Aling klem tumke jump the gun bubu. So yak bang li tumang bujitun de te aling klok ta themalang tumang lahai idioms nungje chai pola. Nali tumda pini karbi tumda rida anda photelo rong anda phopelo. Punung yep te kanang ala karbi lam thek tumang chidun de pi phansi pudama. Mate tele idele ing thok ta me thang tele ing thok ta me thang me hang si jero pol hai ta bang sining leng thok ta me thang si jero pol hai nungji pusida ili bang chini losta bang ka prek nang chali alam le karbi alam thek go pusin nang chini dun de pi phansi pudama person dak thak lo hai aring kelong tung al hai nungji do hai ke common most common lo jump the gun de pi phansi pudam lo. It means to do something too quickly or prematurely. Patini dipen apor kadili pensi nungge dai me claim chai polote labangke jump the gun. That means jump the gun. That's the meaning of jump the gun. Next, kick the bucket. Alam thetin lar prote bucket phan ki tur, balting phan ki tur pula. Seta labangke kachewoi ki thi phan sin labang puchewoi ju pula te he kicked the bucket pula. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. After long illness, he finally kicked the bucket. Inan ke su pangji lon ke ala in labang puchewoi ju pote pumelo. Ate thilo no jat pena hin beta chewoi ju thilo lo pula te kick the bucket. Meaning ke kithi ke chewoi phan se pudam lo kick the bucket. That's idiom ke kick the bucket. After a long illness, he finally kicked the bucket.
So the last one, to do something too quickly.
Yeah, prematurely.
Before
the right time. Before the time is right. To do something too quickly before the time is right.
Before the time is right.
That is the meaning of jump the gun. It's okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You tell me, okay, when I can go. Okay, this is kick the bucket.
Kick the bucket.
So example, after a long illness, he finally kicked the bucket. Then again on the right side, the picture is given, kick the bucket. So if we translate word to word, it will be a man kicking the bucket, something like that, but it's not that. It means to die. Examples there. When I kick the bucket, you'll be able to live on my life insurance. Di thilo polo te nang ni life insurance pen rengun po. Ni thilo da pita life insurance nang tangkai hutan nang silong po. So when I kick the bucket, you'll be able to live on my life insurance. Or another example they have given there is Peter kicked the bucket at the age of 102. Peter kicked the bucket at the age of 102. Ningkan paroisira hini artaan Peter kiti. Peter kicked the bucket at the age of 102. So that's the meaning of kick the bucket. Next we go. Is it all right? Yeah, it's all right. Can I go to? Okay.
Yes, you can go next.
Okay. Let the cat out of the bag. What does it mean? Let the cat out of the bag. Meng hola jambrong pen pachon plot. Pada paklangak patha patu te deme makla polote ini ke lason pansi pudam lo. Meng sita ki pudam bangke la kopilo. Bang pange tan nei alam dip join alam si pachini that pansi pudam lo. That is the meaning. To reveal a secret. To reveal a secret. It should be a secret, but if it is let out, if someone's already knows, then you have let the cat out of the bag. He accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. He accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Isi a party BG pu chisikalo. So some group of people, they decided to hold a party, surprise party. But then before the party, if he tells someone, then he accidentally or he had let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. So let the cat out of the bag means reveal a secret. Ki patu jo alam pachi ne pinja alam si mane panthan det lopulote labangke. It means letting the cat out of the bag. Someone let the cat out of the bag, so now everyone knows a secret. Okay.
Yes,
Someone
please.
let a cat out of the bag, so now everybody knows the secret.
Bolote karbi ni ni
Lam
lambang ilab lo.
lam ke patu alam bang ke patu nai alam si paklang dak. Bolote lapan ke letting the cat out of the bag. Chính vai joy pachi ni pinji po alam bang si ako than to that bo kumade bang than that lo bolote that means like letting the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. That is the meaning. To reveal a secret. Okay. Okay, can I go to the next slide?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is another thing. This is one common idiom that we find sometimes in writing also. Make a mountain out of a molehill. Do not make a mountain out of a molehill.
Make a mountain
What
out
does
of
it
a
mean?
molehill.
Make a mountain of a molehill. Lake majer super lam se pathe berat. Lam pathe tu berat pote. Nangli, you are making a mountain out of the molehill. To exaggerate a small problem. Exaggerate mana ke pachan tu ke pathe tu. Just lam se palam pathe tu piglo polote. Nangli, like making a mountain out of a molehill.
Molehill.
Out of a molehill. Mole बोले तो होला चेतन है चेतन ang tholo la puchi kim kim mat tu inglong son la tum ta che so puchu bui chom ti ma ti ha la so phansi budam la da bangel la so phansi nang ekdom inglong bhare inglong bonai dat po phansi budam la dak mane ache su la lam se pathe thu piglo potla bangke making a mountain out of a molehill to exaggerate a minor difficulty panalam ke thepik pe ki sung se pan oise ko pathe thu pigason pinchong dat lo bolte la phansi budam lo make a mountain out of a molehill. That is the meaning though. You make
exaggerate
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 exaggerate mane like a pathilo mane अच्छे से lam se ekdम ahir padobre bolte lake exaggerate exaggerate la panke don't exaggerate
exaggerate
major se lam se pathe tu piglo poten nangli exaggeration like exaggerating lo lake exaggerate so panke exaggerate il tum nang ping la pathe pan la pathe nang lu te ko mane pan do not exaggerate don't exaggerate Majus para lam le pisi pathinang lang mapun elitum da ngijim that we also talk among some. This is a common thing. So this word is very important. Exaggerate.
exaggerate polote la idiom ningjeji polote don't
Ah,
make mountain out of
don't
the
make
molehill.
a don't make a mountain of the molehill. Pini alam sinang gilje pulo ma depende komti. Just alam kosong do laho pilo kosong un popo alam pat hetu piglo polote. That mean he is exaggerating, or you can say he's making a mountain out of a molehill. That's the meaning. You're making a mountain out of a molehill. You wrote one bad essay. It doesn't mean you are going to fail your exam. That exam, dak pilo ya. But the whole dak tagline. She made a mountain out of a molehill when she saw the minor scratch on her car. Majer so pini akara
Garilo
lo
dak do baklo.
akara just so siri chat do masih kopi chohon lo ko malo lo ho potom mani aning pati plut lo bolte la bangke. She's making a mountain out of a molehill. Just la po siri chat. So take long le sida just pini siri pat wanda hai. Sa siri chat do kong lo akara lo hamat sa lambang pati du lote. She's making a mountain out of a molehill. Or another example they have given there, you're making a mountain out of molehill. Making a mountain out of hill. You wrote one bad isi talk. But just isi hing no daglo nange kapake. It doesn't mean you're going to fail your exam. Sat lang pilo amat isi bang top pami medalo. Amat nige ke pello. Isi veda isi si top pami kaplek bang top mita sida kali la isi bang top pami namsin nige going. It doesn't mean you're going to fail. Let's see. You wrote one bad essay, it doesn't mean you're going to fail. Nang essay to pang lo pulen nang exam bang start lang kiun edet popo kali. You are making a mountain out of molehill. Okay, so don't make a mountain out of a molehill, meaning don't exaggerate small problem. Mà jasa cái sung se bhari cái the pinchong dela cái sung asan pinchong dela bate you are making a mountain out of a molehill. So that's the meaning of making a mountain out of a molehill. Can I go to the next slide, Jiren?
Yes.
Needle in a haystack. What does it mean? Needle in a haystack. Sokpun along imprim.
Imprime.
Sokpun along imprim. Pusipa sokpun along a imprim pante padamla. Copy pansi padamla. Extremely difficult, extremely hard to find. Ke long ji sung pick hormulo pate lake needle in a haystack.
Haystack.
Finding mane ke long a chance lo abe pin hormusi kiri pulote labang ke sung pick lo. Mane ke sung pick a hormu silap kiri yi sung pick hormu pansi needle in a haystack. Something extremely hard to find. Non ini sokpun long nang imprim je so imprim la pu warchon lo bodelo pate kirungs sung pick mate ke long sung pick mate so pan pehla da panke needle in a haystack means something extremely hard to find. Finding her lost earring in the park was like looking for a needle in a haystack. Inod aluso so minor aluso park lo moni do pick ang moni la haltak moni kang lumlong dam lo park long dam lo mat kon ane ing bodel lo. Ako chiri thui ke lake needle in a haystack lo kiri asan looking like is like looking for a needle in a haystack like sokpun lo imprim kiri asan lo panjupudam lo. That means very difficult. So kelongi poke like a chance matsi kom lo panjupudam lo sumpil lo lake needle in a haystack. Something that is very difficult to find. Kelong ye habarsa vipin kelong thi habarsa sung pik pansi lamang ke needle in a haystack. So okay, this one, Jiren. Okay, we'll go to 17. On the ball.
On the ball.
Ball attack. What does it mean? Ini ke ball attack. Wadon chon ingni chon pansi budam lo sita. Labang ke being alert and competent. Kacharok tok mate ke tek pansi budam lo on the ball bulote. Charok tok lapen ke tek. Being alert and competent. Oh, here they have given one example. He's always on the ball when it comes to handling difficult situations. He is always on the ball when it comes to handling difficult situations. Kulte langke kakita chirok tok lapenda tek tek. Pini akisung a situation awasta mene pini chiman loplate halangke tek pik lapen chirok tok. Like pen tipo yogli. Kakita being alert chirok tok lapen mane as competent. Ki lapen kakita ka chirok tok. Kakita kakita ka chirok tok panse on the ball.
Then take
Take cái tag là cái kita chirok tok lapen cái tag pansi pun tag ser pansi on the ball pula.
On the ball.
He's always on the ball when it comes to handling difficult situations. Lahai pen kisung ke wang pen ke chapa jogi lahai lam je than lo pote la ke kai kita tag kai kita chirok tok lapen tag ser ki jogi chapa jogi pati kyun pansi budam lo. When we say he's always on the ball when it comes to handling difficult situations. Or they've given another example there, to be on the ball meaning to be quick to understand and react to things. Chini, abang ko son si claim ni ma pu chini delo pulate. Memen chini po, abang ko claim ni de claim that po la song get tag. Ser pan si pulo po. Be on the ball pula. I didn't sleep well last night. I'm not really on the ball today. I didn't sleep well last night. Lata nung jeme. Aju ni megjang pamiminit ma pinigani. On the ball kalita lama. I'm not really on the ball. Mane chorok tok si that taun megjang mai pumati aju megjang pamimite pan smart minute po. So we can also say it that way, in this way. I didn't sleep well last night, and I'm not really on the ball today. That's all. So can I go to the next slide, Jiren?
Yes.
Okay. Play it by ear.
Play it by ear.
Play it by ear. Play it by ear. Polote ino pensi kerot. Pate hola kum kerot. Puse pini kerot pusita. What does it mean? Play it by ear. Majokta ino pen kerot re. But it means to handle a situation as it unfolds without a definite plan. Reacting to a situation as it unfolds. Play it by ear mane kosan men to handle a situation as it unfolds. We'll see how the meeting goes and play it by ear from there. Mane afrang me six pin pen. Pen pin pen pinichaman dan lopote la swatting pen ke claim la ko ke chaman hut pen ha hut si pini ke chi react dun mate ke claim dun pote la bangke play it by ear. Afrang pas chising make at a pen.
Six pin pen ke claim
Pin ke claim six make at a pin pen mas six si pin pen ke claim pan si play it by ear po. Play it by ear. Okay, we'll play it by ear when the time comes. Suppose how will we do? Okay, let's play it by ear. But chong la hula mo por bang put claim na. Son hula so ko son lang na. Mo pan si putam le. To handle a situation as it unfolds without a definite plan. We'll see how the meeting goes and play it by ear. Some lo people ho pulote lang nang pu do mate le kar biang tumda. Pini lang nang mo lang nang por lang nang ko son ma. Ceman pula so man lo play it by ear por so le lang nang hula so le pini tak claim na. That is the meaning of play it by ear. Play it by ear. Reacting to a situation hala ke ceman hut pen si aku la so ho ke ceman men si pini ke claim dun pane ke react dun polote la bangke playing it by ear polo. That is the meaning.
Play it by ear.
Play it by ear. Okay, we'll do two more. I can go to the next slide, Jiren.
Yes.
Okay. Quiet as a mouse. Labang joy piglo, labang ke lam lir puta punde dalo. Labang ni ke pang bar puta phrase of the day phrase pula san bang ke. Quiet as a mouse. Lagi ke pang bar ke. Quiet and do joy arki pawi pin pen. Kyong dung piju tu mason do do mati do joy si kyong ong mati la tumta piju atumta. Meng dolo boten do joy po. Very quiet and not making any noise. Inner bang pu lam nung je pin la ping sam do joy lo pote. He is as quiet as a mouse po. Very quiet and not making any noise. The baby was quiet as a mouse after falling asleep. Okay, the baby was quiet as a mouse after falling asleep. Why are you so quiet as a mouse? Kutarjumin la kumanya bang pu. Dojoy asal tangar ki away ang then away polote we can say he is or she is as quiet as a mouse. This phrase is commonly used to describe someone who is quiet and not very talkative. Kumani ina namang pudo auto lam nungje pikpe lapen kai kita kyong dong ke dojoy titi polote itum pumelo lalang pen pangbar melo. He is as quiet as a mouse or she is as quiet as a mouse. She doesn't talk very much. She is as quiet as a mouse. Lam nungje pikpe lakya. She is as quiet as a mouse. Put melo. So every day we'll learn 10 more, one more, then we'll go to spoken.
Yes.
Okay. Reading cats and dogs. This is also common. la so idiom polo din dili ta ha class 2 lang ni dong kok te se moral science bo kitab do la dak bang isya tomodo mala so bang la so idiom long lo nili bang chinel lo arbe ke jang lo inget sling kang der lo is training cats and dogs pi phansi pudam ma pan nili ta bhe ko bang ge meng me than tong la pu pu ke kat phansi pudam ma pula raining cats and dogs polo te la ke arbe the pick lo pote is training cats and dogs arbe jang
Heavy rainfall.
heavy rainfall. We had to cancel the picnic because it was raining cats and dogs. Picnic damji puche siklo sita arbe nang jangdun tutlo ke the arbe jangdun tutlo pote. It was raining cats and dogs, and that's why we had to cancel the picnic. We had to cancel the picnic because it was raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs really means it's raining very hard. Once you put down. Ang song pen le meng me thanang ke clue khali he mate pupu meng than panli sita la bangke arvi the piglo pote litum it's raining so heavily pu nungje alari litum it's raining cats and dogs pumelo ilitum ke nungje jedak thema ilitum ke me thangalam kali dela po sita nungje me thema ring ke loktum ke lasan san nungje jai raining cats and dogs. Okay, then we'll learn only this 10 today again. We'll go tomorrow again to learn some more. Okay, children, we'll learn how to speak now when we'll learn our pronunciation. I've taught you that, but you might have forgotten, so we can do that also. Okay. Because this is important for your pronunciation. Yesterday also we did a little. We'll go on. So you can see the screen slide, the slide?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, let me check that. This one I have to remove. This one you can see now.
Yes.
So one important thing we always have to remember is that English is not a phonetic language. Phonetic language bolte ame koson ma kinungjeta la sonpo. Fancy phonetic follow. Only kora. Tumi kora pote ko ro akar asansi togi asemis la. Tema asemis ke phonetic language pot hala da koson ma amek kinungjeta la sonar kidopo. So that type of language is called phonetic. Ilikar bita phonetic nahi. Apan bolte a p h a n apan. Itum bolte e itum bolte e t u m. Like a phonetic language. Sita English bangi kalilo. But English is not a phonetic language. Let me of this one.